Hello everyone. Today I really want to quickly share with you about one of my favorite products in FM, and it is moisturizing sun protective water. It has SPF 50 and vitamin E. Vitamin E is antioxidant and it prevents your skin from aging. Okay, so it is really light texture. Look. It very quickly absorbs into the skin. Also, I'm using on my face and it's not irritating my eyes. What I do, I don't spray around my face. I spray into my hand, I rub and then I tap around. Okay, so spring is coming, summer is coming. So with this product, you will not only protect your skin, you will moisturize your skin and you will have protection from the aging.